Tornado chasers weren't the only attraction for students on Sibley Day. I witnessed a new first at Lindenwood University and brought back all the details.
The defense has the nerve to call into question.
The turnout was high Wednesday afternoon for Lindenwood University's first ever mock trial. Criminal justice students clashed on the courtroom floor with Professor Jennifer Lorentz presiding as judge.
The issue for today's case, it was a criminal case where the defendant was being charged with the kidnapping and murder of a 14-year-old girl, and the state was prosecuting and then the defense was defending. There were 4 attorneys on each side.
The mock trial included all the elements of a typical court case. Opening and closing arguments were made, evidence was examined, witnesses testified, and a jury of random students cast its vote. Juror Gabrielle Blockton explains the pressures of her role.
It was quite intense, when you're up there, it's not just another day where you're just sitting there just listening to someone or just watching a TV. This is someone's life here on the line, and it's determined by you, and you have to listen very closely.
Defense attorney Travis Allen details the planning involved to make the trial happen.
We were practicing for this, getting this whole thing organized since November of last year and everything. We had tryouts, we had to get the people that wouldn't be able to make it this semester out last semester. This semester we really started buckling down and practicing on it more.
Although the trial team received no credit for this extracurricular work, Allen says the experience is valuable.
I'm planning on becoming an attorney and everything, so this would be great practice for the career I'm planning on taking.
In the end, the jury decided there was not enough evidence to prove the defendant guilty. Although only one team could win, Lorentz is proud of all the students.
They did an amazing job. Again, this was on their own time. They were all very dedicated. They worked very hard.
In keeping with the rock and roll theme of Sibley Day, the trial team thought it funny to name the accused and the witnesses after musicians like Mick Jagger and R. Kelly. Audience laughter even prompted Judge Lorentz to call for order in the court. For LUTV News, I'm Steve Kornfeld.